Hey there, I'm Chris.
And I'm Ben.
And we're with Swartz Restoration. And we're here in Celina, Ohio, letting you know that in case you experience any sort of water damage, maybe it's a leaky faucet or an appliance in your home like your dishwasher or your washing machine, maybe the supply line breaks and it leaks all over the floor, water can get down into your basement, or maybe your sump pump backs up, or maybe a storm comes through and you get water damage in your home because of that. We are here to help you dry out, clean up, and rebuild afterwards.
Absolutely. You know, we've been in business for over 36 years, fulfilling our mission to help care for people during these disasters that happen in their homes or their business, whether it's water damage or fire damage. It is our heart, our desire as a company to care for people through the entire process of getting them back to normal. So if you find yourself with one of these situations in your home or your business, feel free to reach out to us at 419-331-1024 or check us out on our website at swartzrestoration.com.